Claire's going on her first walk.
Starting to make the dinosaur noises.
She's starting to make dinosaur noises. That means she's getting hungry.
She might have just gotten a view.
How you doing in there, Claire?
As happy as can be.
How you doing in there?
Our dogs, on the other hand, aren't so happy with us.
Claire Bear, tell Grandma thank you. Tell Grandma and Grandpa thank you for the stroller.
Smooth ride.
Thank you for the stroller. It's a smooth ride. Ooh, look at that stylish stroller. Hey, girl. How's your walk going?
Dun, 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 dun. Probably gonna take this off.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that smooth ride. Huh. Turns on a dime.
I'll take her back in.
Yeah.
She's getting hungry.